Hold on. Stay there for a second. I gotta take you to my horse.
Oh my god, what if I just give up? Oh, I die?
Yeah. I like how that puts that on me, and I'm not the one that just gave up the will to live. Okay. I'm not like a physicist or not. But like, how did you stay where you are? Apparently you giving your will to live just put you in the middle of the desert. Okay. I hope you feel good about yourself.
There's no brakes on a horse.
Well, this isn't a Honda Civic.
Oh, whoops.
Go that direction. Unless if you want, hop on my horse. Never mind, stay away from me.
How do I... Ow! Ow! I feel like I'm in a freaking Western movie. Caden, are you not gonna help me?
No.
Come here, horsey.
So, just so you know, because I have a feeling you don't,
Probably not.
if you get wanted in this game, you accumulate a bounty. And unless you pay that bounty off, bounty hunters will come for you. And just because you're you, I have a feeling that you have a bounty in every city in this game.
Probably, because I don't remember the last time I played this game, but it probably went exactly like this, where I just started shooting random people. There's no brakes on this thing. Where's my horse going? Kid, where'd you go?
Ow! Is that on me?
I was looking at my map, my mini-map thing, trying to find where you were. Caden, come pick me up. I'm done trying to control the horse. They're difficult. I don't know what I'm doing.
That's why I said to get on the back of mine, but no, we insisted. Let me ride my horse. Get on. I'll wait for you. And don't cause any trouble while you're on my Uber. You're gonna be a good little spectator.
I'm getting attacked by a pack of wolves!
I'm not helping you either. Oh, are you behind me on top of it all? You're not even in. Oh no, you're in front of me, so I'll just work my way to you.
Yeah, back off, demons!
Alright.
I was just walking in the woods.
Well, right there's your first mistake.
I spawned in the woods, bro. What do you want me to do?
I'm coming to get you. Stay where you are.
Get in. Get in. Let me on. Let me on. Why is my guy drunk? You got nice hips. I don't like how I'm caressing your hips.
Get your hands off me. Country road. I'm hog tie you and I'm gonna leave you in this river.
I have a bounty of 40 cents in this city.
Why does it not surprise me? At all.
Why don't I have a lantern?
Well, gee, I don't know. Give me a minute. What level are you again? You're a level 7.
How can you tell that?
Because you hit left on D-pad,
Yeah!
players, and then it shows you.
Why is my horse yelling at me?
Because it's probably out of stamina.
How do you tell that?
Well, you would have to be on the horse.
I am on the horse.
You realize you
Kaden.
actually have to take... Yeah, you're on my horse? You're
No,
not
I'm on.
yours.
I'm on my own horse.
Oh shit, I didn't realize I lost you. Good thing you didn't need me. Up above your mini-map. All of that is for your horse.
Which one
So,
am I supposed to be looking
if the
at?
lightning bolt, thing that looks like a lightning...
It's glowing red. Is that a good thing? Probably not.
Nope, that means that you are out of stamina and you are pushing your horse, and eventually it'll kick you off and probably just run away.
Caden, come pick me up.
Go figure. I'm gonna sit here, and I'm just gonna wait is what I'm gonna do.
Kadoosh!
I'm not reviving your horse for a second time. I saved it from the dead once.
Ooh. What am I doing to you, bro? What is going on?
Okay, where are we in correlation to a village?
What is this, Minecraft? Ooh, lightning. Hayden, look, lightning.
What gave it away?
Loud boom.
The big bolt that lit up the sky?
I can show you. No, that's not how that goes. What's the Aladdin song? A whole new world. Another place
Copyright.
you never knew. Something.
Remember when Juice WRLD said drain that bad energy? I'm gonna need you to hop off. Okay, and no starting trouble here. This is my favorite town in the game.
So what you're saying is you like these people here.
Not necessarily. I just don't want a wanted dead or alive here. I'd kind of like to be able to come back.
I
at
have
some
a
point.
bounty of 40 cents here.
Yeah, well, you know what? You go pay that off.
I can
You
pay
walk
that?
in there. Here, come here. You go in there, talk to the guy behind the little desk,
Hello, sir.
and he'll give you an option to pay your bounty.
How do I talk to him?
Hold LT. Hold. Never mind. Maybe? Yeah. No.
I'm holding LT, am I?
No. Over here. Wrong guy.
If you don't mind, I have work to finish.
Ooh, I still want to shoot him. Dude's being rude.
Over here.
Oh, and then it says pay bounty.
Exactly.
Oh, and I can collect deliveries too? Oh, I got mail? Let's go. Nothing.
That's a stranger mission.
Yeah, well, stranger danger.
Yeah. Which, I don't know why I let you on my horse then.
Because I look trustworthy. Look at me.
You are the exact person I would tell people to stay away from.
I look like somebody's grandpa, bro.
From what day and age?
From this day and age. Hello, people. Bartender, drink. Whiskey. How did you sit down?
You walk up to a chair. You'll be prompted to sit.
So, Caden, these darn gas prices.
There's no... What? Yeah, my horse, 30 gallons to the mile.
So, Caden, what brings you to this part of town? Can't see
Trying to
you.
eat noodles.
You're in the... You are in the table for me.
Right where I belong.
What? I need some more whiskey to deal with you.
I'm at home. That's the other way around there, sir.
Sit down! It's not giving me a prompt. Can I not sit while I'm drinking?
What'd you call me?
Oh, who's this guy? Ow!
Well, you do have appeared to have started a war already.
I didn't do anything. I was drinking a beer.
That is literally what they all say. You looked at him funny, don't lie.
Bro, he walked in, punched me in the face, shot me. I paid my bounties. My bounties are paid. That was unnecessary.
That was a player. And honestly,
That was a real
he
player?
probably saw you. Yeah, that was a real player. Which is funny because he came specifically for you and then left. He literally walked in, popped you one, and turned around and left. He had no business with me at all.
What the heck,
He
man?
left me in my chair.
Now I gotta get another beer. I don't want almonds. I want the bartender. I want the bartender. Oh, look, Caden, we're holding hands. Do you not care that we're holding hands? God, dude.
What?
We're holding hands.
I don't think we are.
We definitely are. Why am I getting up?
You're standing on my screen. You never sat down. Get away from me. Go get a haircut. Go sit over here in this chair.
Whoops, 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 whoops.
Son of a bitch!
I want this guy. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Joke's on you. I'm free.
It's alright. I'll take your dead body to my room. In this day and age, things I'm about to do to you are perfectly legal.
What? You
Wait, can I
can't say that. That's gross. Oh! Crack of dawn. I'm buying my beans and I'm going to camp.
I just threw you off the balcony onto a table. Oh, I got a hat now. Let's go.
Yeah, you have my hat.
Nah.
What do you mean? No.
What? Bro, why does this guy have beef with me?
Yeah, because look at your character.
He literally walked to the bar, shot me as I was getting on my horse. Where are you?
In the store.
Where?
At the counter.
You're not at the counter.
I sure am.
You're definitely not. Can you see me?
When I ask you an honest question, please do answer me.
Maybe someday
Are you
I'll
sure
get
you're
back
in a
down.
store?
Probably down west.
Bro, the shopkeeper. Talk to shopkeeper. Browse catalog.
Yeah, that's exactly where I am.
You're not there for me.
Because I'm talking to him.
I can buy emotes?
I think this is Fortnite?
What can I
Where's the
buy
coffee
with
at?
What can I buy with $17?
A whole lot of nothing.
Bro, $17? That's like
All right. Have
almost a
think about it.
grand back in this time.
Are you sure you know what a grand is?
Oh, there you are, kid. This door is locked? Who locks their doors? Open your door, peasant.
You need to look where you're going.
You need to shut up. Yeah, we're both waiting for your horse.
More or less me. I'm already gone. I'm leaving.
Wait. Wait for me. I feel like a toddler. Let me on. Let's ride. This is the worst Uber ever.
Why? What are you complaining about back there?
Where's the music? Who has the aux cord?
I'm a rock star in my prime.
Where are you taking me?
To camp.
We're going camping?
Something like that. I'm gonna take you to the mountains. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yay!
Leave you with the bear.
My dad's taking me camping. Yay! Thanks, Dad.
It's so bad there's not a cliff nearby.
Thanks, Gaden. Messing up my hunt. How the heck
Where-
did you fall over?
I hit a tree, so we
Come
could
on,
just...
let me on!
It's so aggressive.
Well, I'm trying to get on and you started running away from me. How did you hit a tree?
I aimed for it.
Why did you aim for the tree, bro?
To
was
get you to leave.
I was shooting at a deer.
That was not a deer, that was an elk.
Was this our camp?
Oh, no, we just stopped at some random person's camp.
What does my life come to? That felt a little unnecessary. All I did was trip you.
While I'm trying to cook my beans.
Bro, they're just beans. Who cares? I got beans.
I got beans, greens, tomatoes, lambs, ransom.
Now I can't climb, bro. Now I'm stuck. Caden, come help me. I don't know where I am. I'm in a mountain.
I lost my meat over that.
Ow. God, dude, you suck. God, dude.
I wish. Hold on. Where's the... Oh, you were so lucky.
Ow! I just got thrown. I got a knife thrown at me.
Yeah, run away. And stay down. Get on now, get.
Got him. Give me your dead corpse. No, I'm picking up your hat.
And I'm leaving you here.
Hey, let me on! Let me on!
Aw, man.
Wait, why am I on your horse? Ow, dude, my hat!
My hat.
Bro, let me on! Let me on! God, dude, you're making an old man run?
Yep.
God, dude, my knees are old and brittle. Let me hold your hips.
I prefer you didn't.
I don't think you have a choice.
It'd be unfortunate if I drowned it.
Unfortunately, I am not a toddler. I know how to swim.
In this game, you don't.
Oh. Well, I
You
have
can
better
only
thing.
do it. You can only do it for so long, and then you run out of stamina.
Cool. So we just didn't know how to swim back in their day.
Well, some people didn't know.
I
You
guess I
act
must
like
have
this
skipped.
is the first time you've ever
I guess I
ever
skipped
heard of this
that.
time period.
I skipped that mission.
What do you mean? It's not a It's not like swimming lesson 1772.
I must have skipped that year. You smoking?
If you hear, yeah.
Felt a little unnecessary.
The only thing to get me through the day.
You're gonna need something a little stronger than that cigar.
Exactly why I bought 3.
That's why we're at the bar and you hired a hitman to kill me multiple times.
I didn't. I don't know what his.
I
was.
swear, bro. You hired him. You had to have.
No, like that's crazy. But like,
Nah, bro. He
As
killed
my
you.
favorite
What?
part- my favorite part was that he walked in, he did what he had to do, looked at me, turned around and laughed.
Yeah, bro. Cause you hired him.
I didn't though.
Say that with a straight face,
I didn't though.
liar. Your face is all sorts of crooked. I can see it.
Yo, it was bent up and down like a hexagon.
Come on,
Spook
bro.
me,
You
square
know
pumpkin.
shapes are difficult for me.
Okay, so I'm confused. What did I mark over this way?
Oh, bro. There's a cemetery.
Yep, tends to be one in every city.
You smell nice. What kind of cologne do you use?
Black vanilla by Axe.
They had that in 1743, but not swimming lessons. Bro, careful. We could have drowned. That was deep water. You know I don't know how to swim. I have the urge to just shoot somebody.
Well, good thing for you to know is that we're in the middle of nowhere.
So now's my chance to do it.
No, there's not a soul in sight for you to do it.
The next person I see, I'm popping him in the head.
You know, I have a feeling. What did I hit?
This gigantic rock right here. What do you mean,
Well,
what
who
did you
put that
hit? What did I hit?
I didn't even get my thought out. I just, you know, I have a feeling. Oh yeah, we're
Are we
going
in
to the
Wisconsin?
deep
It's
snow.
starting to snow.
This isn't my fishing cabin.
I feel like we're back at home. Isn't this place cold? I feel like we're not properly dressed for snow. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody now. Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
You know, whatever I marked, it's very far away.
I couldn't tell by the fact that we're going through a snow mountain. Hope you know I'm rating you 3 stars instead of 5 because you stopped.
Oh, wow. How concerned I will be with, you know, the piece of paper that you'll have to send by pigeon.
I was gonna say, when we get back into town, I'm writing a lengthy review that you'll never see.
Yeah, exactly. 'Cause it's gonna be a
Everyone
lot.
else, though, will. Ooh, if we fall right now, I'm pretty sure we're both dead.
Well, I'm not.
My life is in your hands.
We're on a trail, it's fine.
Yeah, but the mountain ends to the near of us. That was English. Hey, look, our vacation home.
You know, fun fact. That's a spoiler, never mind.
What's a spoiler?
That place. I was gonna specify why that's there, and then I was like, never mind, that's a spoiler.
I've never played the game, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Bro,
You know,
other-
it does appear that at the end.
I was just about to say our other vacation home is right over there. Kaden, I'm lost. And I'm cold. I need my Uber. I'm rolling down a hill. Ow, my leg. I just heard Caden's character.
Did you hear nothing?
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Ow.
You know, it does appear to be that my horse is currently suffering to live.
I don't care about your horse.
Well, I do.
I care about us being lost in the wilderness.
We're not lost.
I'm lost.
Why are you? Oh.
I made a
What
friend.
are you doing?
I made a friend. We're gonna be lost out here. We gotta survive.
Wait. I need that.
You could have just asked for it.
Oh, it's raining, dude. Where's the alpaca to climb in? I'm pretty sure my horse is dead.
Yeah, you threw it off a cliff. What do you mean?
Well, see,
What do you mean? I think it's
normally-
dead. You
Normally,
threw it off a cliff.
Do it. Do it. Okay, we gotta get to strawberries where we gotta go.
Where the heck is strawberries?
Well, if I could summon a horse.
I touched water. I'm gonna drown because I don't know how to swim.
That's not how that works.
I don't understand how water works. I didn't take the class, Caden.
My horse is back. I can finally leave Michael here on his own.
I'm going to shoot myself. Pick me up.
Joke's on you, that's not an option.
Pick me up. Ow.
Would you get on?
Oh, I so want to stab you.
Ah, jeez.
You punched me in the face. What do you mean? Is like it's my fault that I'm on the ground.
No, to be correct, you ran into my horse.
I ran into your horse. I'm pretty sure I saw your face just punch me. That's not correct.
Yeah, why? I'm pretty sure you explained a violent way of kissing. Your face violently punched my face. Like, I don't believe that's correct. If we follow the water, it will lead us to where we need to go.
We're gonna
Not
drown,
in the
Caden.
water. That's not how it works.
It's water, Caden. I don't know how to swim.
The if my horse drowns,
I was
it will be the
wondering
last
me.
thing you do.
Yeah,
Okay,
because I'll
so-
probably drown. Why doesn't your horse stop? Stop moving.
It's like trying to teach a toddler how to walk for the first time.
You don't have to teach toddlers how to walk. They just learn. You don't have to teach your toddlers how to walk.
They
They just-
crawl, and then
they
they
just-
take a step, then you hold their hands and you bribe them with food.
No, they just learn how to walk. You don't actually have to teach them.
I forgot you just learned a couple days ago, right?
That what? People just learn how to walk?
Get over here.
Where are you?
Right here, behind you.
Look, I got a cowboy hat. Oh, that's what I was gonna do to you. Get your hands off me. You know what? Put me on the horse. I'm not letting you have that satisfaction. You didn't even make it in the water. You just threw me in the
No,
mud.
that's not what I'm trying to do.
You just threw me in the mud. Kidding. We're never gonna get to Strawberryville if you keep killing me.
Well, I was trying to teach you how to swim, but apparently you don't want to learn, so I'm leaving.
I'm swimming, Kaden! I'm swimming! I'm swimming! I'm swimming!
Who's a big boy?
I'm swimming! I swam across the lake. Kid, let me on the horse.
You just got a free one. I don't know why you need my.
It won't let me ride him.
Gee, I wonder why.
Oh, turkey! Nobody saw it. Shut up, horse. You're mine now. I don't think this horse likes me.
I
Katie,
can't imagine why.
are you coming? I don't want to leave you behind.
Trust me, you won't. Exactly.
I was looking behind me. Always look where you're driving, even if it's on a horse. Bro, the horse just threw me off. Ow! Folded me in half. Dude, the horse ran away. Get back here. You're mine now. I own you.
That is not how that works. Man, I can't wait to walk up to the next squirrel and go, just stand still, I own you.
Bro, if this horse throws me off again, I'm just gonna kill it. Get back here! Not my horse. Where is my horse?
I've never seen someone take so long to literally do anything.
I'm waiting for my horse. Isn't there
If you
just
hold
like
A, it'll match the speed.
Yeah, but I still have to control it.
Well, yeah, that shouldn't be that hard.
It is when you're me.
Tell me what it's like when you run into the wolves that are back there.
Hey, 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 hey! Get away from me! My horse threw me! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Ah, that's my spine, that's my neck, ah, my crack, ah.
Oh, it appears that I'm a little too late. What a shame.
Don't sound so defeated.
Oh, I might as well take what's mine then. Oh, stop, I swear. I'm gonna break your ankles when I get up from this.
Ow! That was just unnecessary. There's no need to pump 2 into my chest after I hit the ground.